students, welcome to AJ Mathematics and Science. So today we will start with new chapter, chapter 10. AP. AP means arithmetic progression. 10th Maths ICSE. So what do you mean by AP? AP is a sequence or series. In sequence or series, the elements are arranged by the same common difference. Means, see the common difference between, see the difference between 2 and 4, 2, 4 and 6, 2, 6 and 8, 2, 8 and 10, 2. यानी कि हर एक consecutive element में difference कितना है? Same. They are differ by 2 number. Same way here. 5 to 10 difference is 5. 10 to 15 difference is 5. 15 to 20 difference is 5. So such type of sequence or series is called arithmetic progression or AP. So it means the AP is that sequence or series in which the common difference is same. So for example, one example we will do. For example, if you want to check this sequence or series in AP or not, so how will check? We have to check the common difference. यानी कि common difference कैसे लेना आपने? आगे वाली किसी भी टर्म से पीछे वाली टर्म माइनस कर देनी है. For example, this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term. Second में से first माइनस करेंगे. Second minus first, यानी कि 1/3 minus 1/2. LCM is 6. 2, 3, 1/6. यानी कि इन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड द डिफरेंस इज कितने का डिफरेंस है? -1/6. अभी सेकंड और थर्ड में देखेंगे. थर्ड माइनस सेकंड, द डिफरेंस इज 4/1/4, 1/3. थर्ड टर्म इज 1/4, सेकंड टर्म इज 1/3. सो द एलसीएम इज 12. Here 3, here 4. So the difference is -1/12. It means the difference between these two is not same. It means this sequence or series is not in AP. यानी कि AP में कौन सी होती है जिसमें common difference क्या हो? Same. So students, please note down this. Students, for example, this is in AP. क्लियर है AP, द डिफरेंस इज ऑफ 4 4. यानी कितने कितने का डिफरेंस है? 4 4 का. दिस इज इन AP, द डिफरेंस इज ऑफ 4 4. वन थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड, इन AP द फर्स्ट टर्म इज डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल a. यानी कि यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म कितनी है? स्मॉल a इक्वल टू 4. द कॉमन डिफरेंस, व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड कॉमन डिफरेंस? बिकॉज इन एवरी टू कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म द डिफरेंस इज same. The common difference is denoted by small d. So here the common difference is 4. So here we will derive one formula, students. Please note down this. The first term is a equal to 4. The second term is, how we get second term? a plus d. यानी कि first term में common difference ऐड करेंगे, यानी कि 4 plus 4 equal to 8. How we get third term? A plus D, एक बार और D ऐड करेंगे. Because up to here second term and we add D, then we get third term A plus 2D. So A is 4, 2 multiply 4, so this we get 12. So it means if we want to find, अगर जनरलाइज करेंगे, if you want to find the nth term, तो this formula become a plus n minus 1 d. Why it become a plus n minus 1 d? Because यहाँ पे देखो for second term d के साथ क्या आया? 1. For third term d के साथ कितना आया? 2. यहाँ पे होता है 8 क्या होता है? माइनस होके होता है. So it means the formula for the nth term in AP is a plus n minus 1 d. मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ. Formula for the nth term in AP is a plus n minus 1 d. So where A is first term, D is common difference, N is the number of term, या कौन सी term हमने find करनी है, that is the value of 9, N. If you want to find the 15th term, तो N कितना fill करेंगे 15. If you want to find the 7th term, तो N कितना fill करेंगे 7. So this become A plus 7 minus 1, 6 D. So corresponding will write the formula to find the particular term. So students, please note down this. So students, see one more example. Here one question is given. Find the 24th term from this AP. AP दी है, अगर नहीं भी दी हो, it's clear because 2 2 का difference है, ठीक है? So minus 2 2 का difference है. So this is in AP. यहाँ पे 12 है, 10 है, then 8, then 6, then we get 4. So we have to find the 24th term. So I will find the 24th term by using this formula. First of all, we have to write the A. यानी कि first term find करनी है. What is the first term here? 12. And the common difference. Common difference students आप कहीं से भी निकाल सकते हो. चाहे तो थर्ड में से सेकंड माइनस कर दो, चाहे फोर्थ में से थर्ड माइनस कर दो. मैंने क्या किया, सेकंड में से फर्स्ट माइनस कर दी, यानी कि 10 minus 12 minus 2 is the common difference. Now I want to find the 24th term. So 24th term का फॉर्मूला क्या बन जाएगा? 24th term means T24 equal to A plus 23D. A plus 23D, यानी कि N कितना है 24 है, यहाँ पे N minus 1 कितना हो गया 23. So here we will fill the value of A and D minus 2 and get answer minus 34. It means जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे the 24th term of this series or sequence is minus 34. So students, please note down this. So student, one more example. So here what he asking, this is the AP, clear है, 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10, यानी कि 1 में 3 ऐड कर दिया we get 4, 4 में फिर 3 ऐड कर दिया we get 7, then 3 ऐड कर दिया we get 10. Then वो पूछ रहा है कि 52 is which term of this AP, this sequence, यानी कि इस sequence में 52 कितने नंबर पे आएगी, 52 is the which term of this sequence. So first of all, sometime plus का साइन देके भी देते हैं वो, sometime minus का साइन देके भी दे देते हैं, जरूरी नहीं कि वो कॉमास डालेंगे बीच में. So this is also in AP, that you have to keep in your mind. 1, then 4, then 7, this is also in AP because common difference is same. So first term is A, that is 1. Common difference मैं बोला था कैसे निकालेंगे, किसी भी दो टर्म में आगे वाली टर्म से पीछे वाली टर्म माइनस सेकंड माइनस फर्स्ट. So common difference is D. So we have to check 52 इसकी कौन सी टर्म है, यानी कि this we take as a Tn and what we have to find N. When they ask which term is this, in that case we have to find N. So same this formula will apply. A plus N minus 1D equal to Tn. What is the value of A? 1, N minus 1, D 3 and Tn equal to 52. अभी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे to open the bracket. 3 चाहे आगे हो ब्रैकेट के चाहे पीछे हो, we have to multiply with each term. 1 3n minus 3 52, 3n minus 2 52, 3n equal to 52 plus 2, 3n equal to 54, n equal to 54 divided by 3. So n we get 17. It means the 52 is the 17th term of this sequence. So students, please note down this. Students, same way if they ask how many terms are there in this sequence, यानी कि या in this AP, इस AP में कितनी terms हैं, तो उसमें last term दी होगी, तो last term को आपने क्या suppose कर लेना है, Tn, AD find करो and get the value of n. तो जितनी n की वैल्यू होगी that is the number of terms in that particular sequence. So students, this is the small and brief introduction of AP and few questions. This is the lengthy chapter, so to complete this chapter we will take 3 to 4 videos. So you just try to solve the first 10 questions. Let me see the first 10 questions from the first exercise. If any problem, you just send the message, then I will solve that problem. Thank you very much.